Ant and bird, SpongeBob yogurt.
Birthday party.
Ant, did you just eat the cake?
No.
Good. Let's make the side dish.
SpongeBob chocolate chip cookies. Put the cookie batter on the tray.
Cook them in the dryer.
Whoa!
And your cookies are done.
Here you go, kids. And plus, Ant, are you sure you set up the party right? Oh, sure. And plus, I even set up an elephant ride. Hubba wah, York and Doodle fiddlesticks. Why would you do that? It's not my fault. It was the kids' idea. What kind of blockhead would listen to a toddler? I don't know. Oh, you meant me. Exactly! You're gonna get us all killed because of that proboscidean. Insect boy, I think we need to run. We gotta run! I'm trying, but my legs are turning into dragonflies! Ignore your annoying dragonfly syndrome. We gotta run!
Well, what are you doing here?
Boom Death Birthday Party Edition.